Let's balance the net ionic equation for barium acetate plus ammonium sulfate. So the first thing we do with net ionic equations, we balance the molecular equation. I have acetate here, two of them, and just one acetate ion over here. So let's put a 2 in front of the ammonium acetate. Now I have two ammonium ions here, but I have two here. That's good. Sulfate ion, barium, and barium. So this is the balanced molecular equation. Now let's write the states. That'll look like this. So these acetates, very soluble. So those will be aqueous, split apart into their ions. And ammonium compounds, very soluble. So this is also going to split apart into its ions. It'll be aqueous. But barium sulfate, that is insoluble. If you look that up on a solubility table, you'll see it's insoluble. It's going to fall to the bottom of the test tube as a precipitate. So we call that a solid here in our net ionic equation. Now we can split the strong electrolytes into ions. And this is going to be the complete ionic equation. That looks like this. Now we can cross out spectator ions. They're on both sides of the complete ionic equation. So I see two acetate ions right here. And then in the products, two acetate ions. These are spectator ions. We're going to cross those out. Two ammonium ions. Again, in the products, two ammonium ions. Cross them out, spectator ions. What's left, that's the net ionic equation for barium acetate plus ammonium sulfate. I'll clean it up, write the states, we'll have our net ionic equation. So this is the balanced net ionic equation for our barium acetate and our ammonium sulfate. You'll notice charge is conserved. We have a 2 plus and a 2 minus. They balance out, so this side is neutral. Products, we have this barium sulfate. It's a neutral compound. So charge is neutral on both sides. We have our balanced charge. The atoms, they're balanced as well. This is Dr. B with the balanced net ionic equation for barium acetate plus ammonium sulfate. Thanks for watching.